Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, today we would be giving you an update on Jasmy versus the USD dollars. We are on the daily time frame. And one of the things we have been saying we love about Jasmy is that Jasmy has been obeying all our key support levels. As you can see, every time we pumped into our key levels. And every single time, right, you can see we pumped into a very key support level. And every single time, as you can see, we saw a huge sell-off. We saw a sell-off right down into a huge key support level, right? We pumped into a huge resistance zone and we dumped into a key support level. And as you can see, currently we are pushing right down even into a key support level, even right down for Jasmy. And from our last video, we were saying we were expecting some sort of huge, right, consolidation right down, probably even to the upside, and then one last dump even to the downside. Yes, right, we were saying right down even when we got to the top around the 0.0080 that we were expecting some kind of bad news, something to just come up, right, for us to see a huge dump even to the downside so that we could see the whales accumulate a lot of Jasmy, right, and make you sell your Jasmy. And we would see one more last fake out even to the downside, one last dump even to the downside by the whales so that they can accumulate more Jasmy, and then we could see, all right, a huge pull to even to the upside to which would be the mother of all bull runs. So we were expecting this dump right here. Yes, we had the news with the Binance and all the rest, but we were expecting something to come up, right, to see some kind of huge push even to the downside, right? This is just a skimming by the whales to get more of your Jasmy, to get you to sell your Jasmy. So we were expecting one more push right down even to the downside, a push even to this level, the 0.06 level, one last push even to the downside, then we would see the mother of all bull runs, right? And as you can see, right, we have been playing right even to the T, right, according to our analysis. Currently, we should be expecting furthermore consolidation, even though a push to the upside with one last huge drop even in the price for Jasmy before we could see a huge push even to the upside. As you can see on our screen, we have the altcoin doctors indicator, and the altcoin doctors indicator helps us to show us when the price is bullish and when the price is bearish. And every single time the price of Jasmy was bullish, we saw a huge switch in the price of our altcoin doctors indicator to green, signifying that the price of Jasmy was bullish, and as you can see, every time we flipped bearish, and as you can see, the price of Jasmy flipped bearish, and we can see we were currently pushing even to the downside, and as you can see, when we flipped bullish, we were flipping even to the upside. As you can see right down here, I was telling everybody we were still bullish, right? People were calling for lower prices, but as you can see, every single time the altcoin doctors indicator was very right. And here currently we were expecting a huge rejection for the price of Jasmy, and this was exactly where we got the news about Binance. And as you can see, we saw a push to the downside. As someone said, show me the chart and I'll tell you what will happen. And as you can see, we're expecting this push to the downside, and we saw the news right down with Binance, right? And last but not the least, we are expecting one last huge fake out even to this downside, right down to the 0.03412 level before we could see a huge bounce even to the upside, even probably to all-time highs. So currently we should expect some sort of consolidation. Also, if we look at our momentum, as you can see, our momentum picking up, right, just a little, right, but not with enough volume. So we're expecting more consolidation, probably a move right down even to the 0.0056 level before we see one last huge dump, right, to fake out a lot of people and make them sell their Jasmys before we see a very huge pump even to the upside in the medium to long term. As you can see, exactly everything is playing out as predicted, right? And our chart has been correct so far, right? If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.